Good morning. Now very important topic, that is angle made by transversal and their relations. Right? How to identify which type of angles they are. Right? You can see that here line 1 and line L1 and L2. They are of green color. So it represents two lines. And we can say T is a transversal. Why T is a transversal? Because it intersects at two distinct points, that is X and Y. You can say that, right? So it is of different color, red color, that is your transversal, right? This line L1 can be named as EF. Line EF. Similarly, L2 can be represented by line CD. And similarly, these three transversal can be represented by line AB, or you can say line AY, you can say line AX, you can say line XY, you can say line XB, you can say line YB. There are so many ways you can name that transversal. Why we can do it so? Because all these points are on the same line. But the point same line पर છે. X is at T, A T पर છે, Y T पर છે, B T पर છે. So you can write in different ways. Right? Now we are dealing with the angles formed by the transversal. Now here you can see that how many angles are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 angles are formed by the transversal of two lines. Right? 3 lines are set on 12 angles. કાલે વાત કરી હતી. Right? Now let's see how to name that particular angle. Angles ને કેવી રીતે name કરવાનું છે, naming કરવાનું. So proceeding with angle 1. Proceeding with angle 1. Angle 1 can be named as, right? See, angle 1 can be named as right? Here is the forming angle. बराबर ने? See, આ angle form થાય છે. So this X must be at the center. Be careful. જે angle form થાય છે, A નો center point center માં જ હોવો જોઈએ. So here you can name it in two different ways. Either you come from top, that is A X E, or you can come from left hand side, that is E X A. Right? તમને જે ગમે તે એક માઇન્ડ માં લોક કરી દેવાનું કે મારે આ જ ડિરેક્શન માટે પાસ થવું છે. Right? So I am moving with the top. So it can be written as A X E. बराबर? So angle 1, that is your A X E. Got it? Sure. Angle 2. Angle 2. It can be written as, right, coming from top. X પાસે આવ્યા. હવે angle ની direction આ બાજુ છે કે left hand side પર છે? So it is on right hand side. So we have to move
right hand side.
and here you can see that angle is forming. Bubble, which angle is that? Angle X. So X must be at the center. So how can we write? A X F. That is A X F. મળે ગયું angle 2? Right? Let's go with angle 3.
So, આમાં angle 1 અને angle 2 માં x એ adjacent જેવી લાગે ને.
Adjacent થવાનું ને linear થશે. Sure. Now further. Angle 3. ચાલો coming, right? હવે શું કરવાના? What to do? So come from right hand side. Right hand side થી આવો, x પાસે પહોંચ્યા પછી down જવાનું. કેમ down જવાનું? Because this ray is moving downside. બરાબર ને આ પોઈન્ટ પરથી રે ક્યાં જાય છે નીચે જાય છે એટલે આપણે કામ મૂવ કરશું ડાઉનવર્ડ્સ રાઈટ સો એંગલ 3 can be written as f x y બરાબર આ એંગલ ફોર્મ થાય છે તો f પોઈન્ટ માં છે x ને નીચે આવ્યા y so it will be f x y see x હંમેશા મારા સેન્ટર માં જ આવે છે got it સમજ પડી છે કે ચાલો angle 4 now for angle 4 we have to move from e થી કા જવું પડશે મારે અંદર જવું પડશે right so let's see e x then you can see this angle is forming with this line right ને એટલે મારા પાસે કા આવવાનું નીચે નીચે ચાલ્યા ગયા angle 4 શું ફોર્મ થયું e x y e x y ચલો સમજ પડી અહીંયા સુધી બધાને right ચલો now let's write about angle 5 angle 5 angle 6 angle 7 and angle 8 chalo now for 5 this green part and then the line is moving upward line का move થાય છે upward એટલે કાથી આવશું આપણે c થી પહેલા કા સુધી જવાનું y ને પછી x very good તો કયો એંગલ ફોર્મ થશે c y x or સર મારે કોર્નર સુધી જવું છે you can તો શું થશે c y a c y a આપણે એક જ લખવાનું છે આપણે અહીંયા સુધી જ લખશું કોઈની ઈચ્છા થાય કે મારે આ લખવું છે તો તમે લખી શકો સમજ પડે ચાલો similarly let's deal with angle 6 so coming from D center में कौन आई गयो y then moving upward so this is your angle 6 and it can be written as d y x very good d y x see my angle y is at the center મારું એંગલ સેન્ટર માં જ આવવું જોઈએ ચાલો ડીલિંગ વિથ 7 ચાલો ક્યાંથી મૂવ થશો મૂવિંગ ફ્રોમ હિયર d y and this angle is forming downside so it will be the angle d y d right now similarly c y समझ पड़ी गई समझ पड़ी गई कि मेरी एंगल्स फॉर्म થાય છે તે now from the figure you can see that some of the angles are shaded or they are drawn with different colors તમને દેખાય છે right so why I have done so right અહીંયા black r red blue red why I have done so to find the relation for what purpose to find the relation the first one we are going to deal with corresponding and we are very familiar okay how many pairs are there for corresponding pairs of angle 4 pairs are there right now we are very familiar about the number and every time we have to skip one number right now for instance you are at 1 then what we have to do? We have to jump 4 and we have to reach 5. And see that 1 and 5 are shaded with same color. Right? So it will form corresponding pairs of angle. Chalo, angle 1. From here you have to write AXE and angle 5 CYX. They are corresponding pairs of angle. समझ पड़े छे? चल. Similarly, angle 4 EXY and with 4 which angle? A. Angle 8 CYD. Got it?
Yes.
Right? चलो on left right hand side. With angle 2 AXF and angle 6 DYX. And similarly the last pattern 3 and 7. So it will be FXY and 7 will be DYD. So these are corresponding pairs of angles. समझ पड़े छे? माइंड में लो करता जજો. Right? चलो second one. Alternate pairs of angle. Right? There are two formats. One interior, another exterior. And for that we have to do cross multiplication. So karvano cross multiplication. So first we will deal with interior. Interior alternate pairs of angle. Interior alternate pair. So with 4 6. With 3 5. Getting the idea? Chal. So 4 શું છે? EXY and with 4 angle 6 DYX. Chal. With 3 FXY and 5 1 CYX. CYX. Baba, that is the interior alternate pairs. હવે કોને જોવાના?
Exterior.
For exterior, what we will do? Again same cross multiply. With 1 7. What angle 1? AXE and DYD. Similarly, AXF and CYD. They are alternate pairs of angles. Got it? Interior pairs of angle on the same side of transversal. Interior pair typically same side ઉપર એટલે opposite નથી જવાનું. So here you can see that this transversal divides the line into two parts. One on the parts towards left hand side and the parts towards right hand side. The first we will deal with left hand side. The left hand side માં કયા angles interior છે? તો left hand side માં આ લેવાના કયા angles interior છે? 4 and 5. So what is angle 4? EXY and બીજું કોણ છે? CYX. They are राइट हैंड साइड, तो राइट हैंड साइड पर कौन? 3 and 6, बोलो। DYX. So these are the two pairs, बराबर, of interior angle. But question like somewhat like this, that how many pairs of interior angles are formed? How many pairs of interior angles are formed on one side of transversal? One side of transversal. Why? It is already mentioned to you that is one side. एक જ साइड ऊपर कितने पैर बने છે? એક જ पैर बने છે. समझ पड़े? यहाँ पर स्पेसिफाइड करेલું હશે. Got it? चलो. Let's see another pair. Fourth one. Exterior pairs on same side of transversal. Exterior pair find out करिए. One exterior, the word itself, बाहरी side, बराबर. तो बाहरी साइड पे આવશે, एक ऊपर एक नीचे. Angle 1, angle A. Similarly, angle 2, चलो angle 1, and CYD. Very good. Similarly, and got it? So they are exterior pairs of angle on same side of बराबर. Fifth one, your favorite, vertically opposite angle, बराबर. Vertically opposite angle, that is mirror image. So which one? 3. Which 2? 4. चलो बताओ. 1, and XY. Similarly, AXF and EXY. चलो, got it? This is from the first one. What about second session? Second part का बाकी रह गयो. बोलो second part में 5 and 6 and 8. चलो बोलो 5. CYX and BYD. के DYB जे लखो छे. Last one, EYF and CYB. So this is the way how we can write all the pairs of angles, right? But why I have write this? આ કેમ મેં લખ્યું? ગાંડો છું આ લખવા માટે? ના, right? આવું આપણે કરી દઈએ ને so we get the simplest way to solve the example. Otherwise, what we will do? We will find some mistake. કંઈક ને કંઈક mistake arise થઈ જશે. કેમ? તો નંબરમાં એંગલ્સ લખવામાં ભૂલ પડી જશે. એના કરતા better angle 1 શું છે અહીંયા સાઈડ પર ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી દો, પછી આપણે બધી pairs લખી દેવા. Got it? સમજ પડી? સચ છે? કમ્પ્લીટ કરી દો.